While we eagerly await Samsung's upcoming release of foldable devices, recent reports provide some insight into the company's plans for the Galaxy S25 series, including potential design modifications and the inclusion of a MediaTek CPU from previous generations. The Ultra Galaxy S flagship from Samsung has adopted the Galaxy Note's identity, resulting in notable design alterations, such as the return of the Note's famous squared-off shape, though the Galaxy S25 Ultra may go back on this course. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will return to a more rounded shape, drawing comparisons to the controversial Galaxy Note 7 from 2016. This suggests that the flat display, which Samsung only recently started using in the newest generation, may no longer be the norm. In addition, there are numerous conjectures circulating regarding the contents of the Galaxy S25 series. According to Financial News, because the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is becoming more expensive, Samsung is thinking about utilizing MediaTek chips in some Galaxy S25 variations. Although it seems improbable that this would impact the Ultra model, it's intriguing to learn that MediaTek chips have never been included in Samsung flagship models. There are also rumors that the Galaxy Tab S10 makes use of a MediaTek chip. The Exynos, what about them? Although there had been earlier rumors that the Exynos 2500 will be used, the most recent report indicates that Samsung might not be able to rely solely on the processor due to yield concerns. The good news for fans of the S Pen is that Samsung isn't giving up on the stylus. The S25 Ultra will likely have a housing slot in addition to specialized S Pen support. According to Ice Universe, the S25 Ultra is expected to be the thinnest S Ultra phone ever, with a thickness of 8.4mm, which is 0.2mm less than the S24 Ultra. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.